You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, scientific name, correctly. If you want to learn more names from biology, stay tuned, I've got more for you. Leucocyte. Now, the Cambridge Dictionary lists also the American English pronunciation as leucocyte and the British one as leucocyte, okay? So both pronunciations exist, but generally the most common one is leucocyte, alright? Just say leucocyte, or the plural is leucocytes, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.